Networking events are gold mines for building professional relationships. In this video, we'll dive into key strategies to help you make meaningful contacts. You'll learn how to set clear objectives before attending, ensuring you target the right people. We'll also cover mastering your elevator pitch to make memorable first impressions. Asking thoughtful questions is crucial to show genuine interest and deepen connections. Finally, we'll stress the importance of effective follow up to solidify relationships post event. Stay tuned as we explore these essential tips to maximize your networking opportunities. Setting clear objectives before attending a networking event is crucial for success. Define your goals. Are you seeking a business partner, a mentor, or a new job opportunity? Knowing what you want will help you focus your efforts and approach the right people. Clear objectives act as a roadmap, guiding your conversations and helping you make the most of your time. This proactive strategy ensures your interactions are purposeful and that you leave the event with meaningful contacts aligned with your goals. Mastering your elevator pitch is a vital step in making a lasting impression at networking events. Prepare a concise and engaging summary that highlights who you are, what you do, and what you're looking for. This brief introduction should capture attention and pique interest quickly. A strong elevator pitch acts as an icebreaker, paving the way for more in-depth conversations. Practicing and refining your pitch will ensure you convey your message clearly and confidently, making you memorable to those you meet. Asking thoughtful questions is essential for creating meaningful connections at networking events. By showing genuine interest in others, you demonstrate that you value their insights and experiences. This approach not only allows you to learn more about the person you're speaking with, but also fosters trust and rapport. Thoughtful questions pave the way for deeper and more engaging conversations, making your interactions memorable. This strategy helps you move beyond superficial small talk and build relationships that are more likely to endure. Following up effectively after a networking event is crucial for solidifying new connections. Shortly after the event, reach out to the people you met via email or LinkedIn. Personalize your follow-up messages by mentioning specific points from your conversation. This detail not only helps jog their memory, but also shows that you were engaged and attentive. Effective follow-up reinforces the initial connection, turning a brief encounter into a potential long-term relationship. Consistent and meaningful follow-up is key to transforming initial contacts into valuable professional relationships. In conclusion, making meaningful contacts at networking events is attainable by following key strategies. Start by setting clear objectives to guide your interactions. Master your elevator pitch to leave a lasting impression. Show genuine interest by asking thoughtful questions and deepen connections. Finally, reinforce relationships by following up effectively. By applying these tips, you can turn brief encounters into valuable professional relationships. Thanks for watching, and we encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.